Welcome to Pack's Garage. Today we're going to be installing some rain guards for the TSX. I got this off eBay. It's pretty cheap. So the way that these work, these are going to be taped up. They use double-sided tape. It's going to be a pretty simple install. Let's go. Okay, just like with any install, whenever you install anything with glue, anything with tape, you want to prep the area by cleaning with some alcohol. Okay, now we're going to be installing the rain guard itself. Pay attention to where the tape is and what side it's supposed to go. This says front left, so this is going to be wrong. We need the front right. The better you prep the surface, the longer it's going to stay on. So we're going to take it out. And we're going to line it up. See how it's going to go. And when you do so, you can start removing the tape from the back. Okay, so like this. And so this is how it came out. The fit is okay. It started good, and then right about here it started to keep going straight. So what I did was, where it started to deviate, I pressed down on that, on the rain guard, and then I bent it down a little bit to make it as flush as possible. But what you want to do is you want to run your finger along the whole thing to make sure it's holding. And yeah, it looks like it's holding. So now we're gonna do the rear side and all the other ones.